Hi there, everybody. Today, I'm going to be able to show you a pre-launch demo of OurAI. We're a free-to-use product research tool that pays reviewers for their insights and helps consumers find exactly what they're looking for online easier than ever before. Before getting into the functionality and the back-end tech of OurAI, I want to give you a quick little rundown on how it is that our revenue model works because we believe in complete transparency. And that's sort of what I'm going to run through with you guys today. The first thing to make sure that we're all on the same page about is affiliation attribution. Basically, what affiliate links are is when someone recommends a product to somebody else, they're able to have a link to the supplier's site. And if somebody clicks that link, then the person who provided the link gets a commission on the sale. We're going to be attaching these links to every review connected through OurAI. On top of this, we want to make sure that everybody involved in the sale also gets a percentage of that commission. That means that just because you gave them the final link doesn't mean that you should get the whole share of the pie. People might have been involved in that close by sending them to the site at the beginning. There could have been an individual who helped them close. These percentages here are not final. In fact, the communities are going to be able to decide the affiliation attribution percentages based on their own individual niches. We're aiming to democratize the ability for individuals to earn money off of their specific knowledge. Right now, those insights are being taken advantage of on the internet. We're setting out to try and change that. First things first is the actual AI chat itself. So in this particular example, we have an individual who is looking for a skincare product. They enter into the chat and the AI immediately prompts them with probing questions to get a good grasp of what it is they're looking for and what sort of things matter most to them. Now, in our example, we gave it exactly what it needed to know right off the bat to simplify the conversation and get to the good stuff. But normally this would be a back and forth conversation. Picture walking into a store and asking someone who works there for advice on something you're looking to buy. We think that this should exist for the internet at large as well. During this conversation, the AI is actually learning the user's preferences and needs to ensure that it's driving the most relevant recommendations at the end. Here you can see a really clear table of what it understands about the user at this point. It's important to note that throughout the conversation, the user is able to come into this tab at any time to see what the AI is understanding about their preferences, and they can even remove them or make adjustments accordingly. Now, before the AI makes recommendations to the user, it's first going to cite some of the reviews that it found that seem particularly relevant to the user's situation. It's trying to gauge how the individual will react with the information that it's presenting them. After getting the go-ahead from the user, the AI is going to start making recommendations. You can see here that it's showing exactly what people love about it and how this is relevant to what the user said matters to them. Here we have option 1, option 2, option 3. For us, this was still a little bit of a cluttered way of presenting this information. So we wanted to be able to make sure that this is as easy as possible for people. So if you click compare, I'm going to use all 3 in this scenario, and come down to this compare tool here, you're going to be able to look at them all side by side. By using the compare products feature, we're able to provide a really easy side-by-side comparison of the recommendations that the AI has made so far. You're able to see key components like its price, ingredients, what it's good for, and then of course, coming back to our core tenets, we're showing what users love, what users dislike, and then a just short description of each of the products. Now, this is still a lot of information to take in all at once. And so for that reason, we also have the Help Me Decide tool. The decision helper is here to take all the information in the comparison table, combine it with what the AI has learned about what you're looking for throughout your conversation, and then give a guided recommendation on what it believes the best product is for you. The AI is making this recommendation through what it understands your needs to be from the product. Here, you can get a rundown of what the AI understood as your most important needs throughout your conversation, and you're able to see why it is that other products didn't manage to fit those needs as well. Now, let's say that the AI actually didn't quite understand what was most important to you. You're able to go into this tab the key factors in importance, and adjust how much these things actually matter to you as the user. As you adjust the weighting on these factors, the recommendations are going to change accordingly to fit what matters most to you. We're building this tool for everybody. And so we are trying to accommodate everyone's different research processes into how it works. Let's say you just really want to stay in this conversational method. It wouldn't work as well for me, but maybe for you it's better. You're able to do all of this consideration and decision making right in the conversation tab. You can use these drop downs to explain why certain reviews more match your fit than others. And everything that we showed you in the compare and help me decide windows is completely available to you directly in the chat as well. Now I'm going to show you guys the back end of how we aggregate all these insights, as well as enable you and the community to track the type of money that's been generated from your reviews. That would be all here on our product management window. You will all have your own personal accounts connected to specific communities that you participate in. You're able to see your ratings and reviews and how much you've earned on them via affiliate commissions. Through this window, you're able to engage with the community, add new products, and also provide updates to products that are currently under review. You can engage with what other community members have said about it, as well as go in and actually manage the data by providing new reviews that you believe to be relevant. We want to ensure that the quality of the data that's being presented for product recommendations is top-notch. And that means we need to be open to all different avenues. And we want our users to be able to cite others while doing so. Now, of course, this is all still yet to be launched, but we are so close to being ready to helping everybody monetize the insights that they have on products. Please come over and check out our website in the meantime, though, at our-ai.co. We're looking to have everyone get involved and provide as many opportunities as we possibly can within this project. Thank you so much for watching this demo.